How to register for Binance, a step-by-step guide. Are you looking to start trading cryptocurrencies on Binance but don't know how to register? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1, you guys go down to the description or comment of this video. I've left the link to register for Binance below. Make sure you are on the official Binance website and not a phishing site. Step 2, click on register. Once you are on the home page, click on the register button on the top right corner of the page. Step 3, enter your email and password. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 4, agree to the terms of use and click register. Read through the terms of use and tick the box to agree to them. Then click on the register button. Step 5, verify your email address. Binance will send you an email with a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Step 6, complete your profile. After you have verified your email, you will be asked to complete your profile. Provide your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Step 7, set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Binance strongly recommends setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, to secure your account. You can choose to use Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. Step 8, start trading. Congratulations! You are now ready to start trading on Binance. You can deposit funds into your account and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember, when you sign up for Binance using our referral link, you will receive a discount on trading fees. So make sure to use our link and leave a comment below to let us know you signed up. Happy trading!